guys, a blessed good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Guyanese style plait bread. I know I have a few of these on my channel, but ain't no harm in doing it again. So here I have some all-purpose flour, regular whole milk. I'll be using melted butter, vanilla extract, some sugar, salt, and yeast. So the first thing I like to do is combine all my wet ingredients. We will add them in, and sugar is considered a wet ingredient, so you want to add that as well as your yeast. Now I'm using fast active fast rise yeast, so I don't need to proof it, but if you using the regular yeast, you might want to let this sit for about 10 minutes. Next we'll go ahead and just add our salt to the flour, mix that in, and then we'll go in with that mixture. We will mix it until it forms a nice soft dough, and then we'll lay it onto a countertop and we'll start the kneading process. You want to knead it until it's nice and smooth, and then I'll show you the next step. Once the dough is nice and smooth, you will place it into a clean bowl. I did add some oil into my bowl so to keep my dough nice and moist and to not let it dry out. I will cover this and allow it to, rise for about an hour, and then I'll show you all the next step. After about an hour and 30 minutes, yes, it took so long because it's cold in my neck of the woods, so the dough took a long time to rise. But it's risen, and now we can go ahead and release the air from inside of the dough by kneading it a bit. Then we will separate the dough into 3 equal parts, but you want to save a little piece of that dough for the top part of the bread. Guyanese folks know what I'm talking about. I will show you guys what I'll do with that later. So you want to separate the rest of the dough into 3 equal parts, and then we will begin to roll the dough out into a long log shape. You can roll it as long as you like. How big you want your bread, that's how long you want to roll it. And once the 3 strips are formed, we'll go ahead and start braiding it. We will plait it into a braid, and that's what we call plait bread. Next, you want to attach the 3 strips at the end, and you want to just pin it together, and then you want to start plaiting, your dough. You want to just do as I'm doing right here. You cross it one over the other until you reach the other end, and you just seal it down by pinching all edges together. And that's it. It's super simple and easy, but the bread is absolutely delicious. You guys will love it. So here I have a tray with some parchment paper that we will place the bread on. And now is the time that you want to take that piece that we saved, the piece of dough, and you want to roll it out into the length of the bread. And we will just place it right over top. And you just seal the 2 edges down, and that's it. We will cover this with a piece of damp paper towel and allow it to rise for about 30 more minutes. After about 30 minutes, our bread has risen some more, and now we will place it in a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Once your bread is nice and golden brown like this, you know that it's done. Now we will go ahead and brush some melted butter on our bread. And this is it, guys. I can't wait to cut this bread. I have some hot pepper pot waiting to eat it with. And you know this is a Guyanese dream. Pepper pot and bread. Man, it's delicious. Now let's cut into the bread and see what it looks like on the inside. I already know I've made this 1,000 times before and it never fails. Perfect texture. It is so soft, so moist on the inside. My daughter, she loves to grab a slice when it's hot with some butter, and it's just amazing. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel out a lot. And I will leave all the ingredients and measurements that I use down in my description box. And I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. Happy holidays and bye-bye.